and we're gonna rip a back road in the RS4. No idea how the audio is gonna be because we couldn't get our lavalier mic to work, but we're gonna be ripping with the windows down for a little bit, and then we'll put the windows up.
Oh, here's a nice, then you can, there's a nice tight right-hander here that we're gonna follow. This is good, this right hand, yeah.
I'm not closing it though. Alright. Let's try it with the audio, with the windows closed. Don't remember, the exhaust setup in the RS4 is a Milltek valved catback. We're in S mode right now, so the valve is open. But honestly, this is the first chance I've had to really rip on a back road, and the RS4 steering is so good. This gearbox too, when you rev match, especially the 4th to 3rd, it's so like planted, and I don't know. We don't have roads like this in the Boston area at all, so it's nice to come out here and have the luxury of like actually ripping on some quiet back roads where I don't have to do something rowdy in the middle of the city of Boston or anything. Alright, mild interruption and we're back.
We're back. Oh my god.
Ooh, that was tighter than this is what happens when you drive on a road that you don't know, and Dill said just go for it.
Spicy meatball.
Bumpier than we would like, but
that's okay.
I'm not a huge fan of the KW V1s. I don't think that they ride particularly well. I don't know if it's just that we're at a lower ride height than what you should be at or something, but like they rebound really harsh over bumps. I don't know. I like thought about swapping them out for something else. I might just try raising them up first to see what happens there, but I'm not in love with KW products overall. I had the V1s on the SQ5 too, and I think that H&R just makes a superior product. Ripping through a little hill crest. Ooh, road may flood, and I just high beamed that guy. Sorry, buddy. That's the problem with the manual car, is like DSG, I can have both hands on the wheel and I can change my high beams, but if I'm shifting at the same time I need to shut my high beams off, worth it though.
This is a real fun bit. Pretty nice right here.
Rev match in a second. Brakes on this car are very confidence inspiring. The big 8 pistons are very nice. The problem with this exhaust is it gets quiet between like 3,500 to like 5 grand quiet, in air quotations, but quiet. And so you like either need to be really revving it out for it to make good noises on downshifts, or you need to be down low. Like one of these, that's good, but if I go to second, it won't make as much noise. It doesn't have that same punch to it. I don't know how else to describe it. But this is a nice section too. Too bad we got a Honda.
Yeah, back off this guy a little bit and then nail it up the hill, and it's a sharp right left.
I think that a lot of what makes the steering feel in this car so good is that it gets so heavy when you're not at parking lot speed. It's like over assisted at parking lot speed, really easy to turn, but as soon as you get above like 10 miles an hour, which is actually kind of funny because it doesn't ramp in, it just like suddenly turns off the extra assist. The steering like really weights up nicely. It's very communicative, like turn in feels really good for a nose heavy Audi, and it does push a little bit under like hard turning, but for a nose heavy Audi, it turns in pretty well. I mean, I guess you could say that's all I'm used to aside from my Mark V and the Mark VI that I briefly had, but it turns in really nice. I thought we had a stop sign too. We're in front of them. We out here, baby. Except we're already catching up to the Honda Pilot.
We can...
Oh, they're turning!
We might want to turn.
Turn left?
We can go back the other... This forks two ways. We can go back the other way, and it's more fun of a road. If you want to bang a Yui. Yeah, go back.
Oh, bang a Yui.
Bang a Yui. Nice.
Oh, we out here. That turning radius.
Oh, very nice. Alright, so bear right.
Bear right.
Yeah, well, yeah. Like it forks left and right.
Oh, right. We just came that way.
Yeah.
Have we done this road yet?
We have, but we haven't done this. There's a section down here we have not done yet.
Okay.
Which we'll do. It's nice and twisty.
I do like that on the B7, like, I guess the biggest problem I have with my S6 is that it's so isolated from the outside, which is really nice when you're cruising on the highway, but like, you know, sometimes you just want to hear the noises the car's making, which you guys probably do and I'm talking over it, but... Railroad track action.
Oh yeah.
The exhaust also has some really nice like pops on the overrun.
Alright, and then after the bridge, follow the road to the right.
Golf carts crossing. I know where we are.
Go to the right here.
We've filmed many exhaust
like
clips on this road, right?
Oh yeah. This is a good right, left. This is a really fun little section here.
Off camber too. Whoa, I'm going too fast through there. Almost taking us off the road. Thought that was taillights too. Did you see that?
Yeah,
Think it was taillights? I thought that was taillights. Mechanical sounding in here, like you can hear the gears, you can hear the motor from up front, you can hear the exhaust in the back, the shifter even makes some clicks. It is...
And a right.
The heel toe is so good, like just ripping off a downshift in a second is nothing. Alright, well that has been a back road cruise and some brief thoughts on the RS4. I should probably film like a proper review of this car, I guess. Although I don't really do that in my other cars. Nice mechanical squeaks as we go over this stuff. Anyway, I'll turn on the world's brightest light so I can say, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, we have a bunch of videos on this RS4 on the channel. Make sure to go back, check them out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks to Dills for filming. Go out there and spread some positivity, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Back roads in the RS, baby. See ya.